and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be selling a skirt. In a previous video, I made a plaid skirt using my own measurements, so I'm going to try to use that same pattern to make a skirt using this green corduroy fabric that I picked up from the thrift store. Last time I sewed this skirt, it wasn't that difficult, and I really was happy with the way it turned out. So I saw this fabric, I thought I'd have a go at making another one. I'm excited, so let's get started. For this project, I'm going to start off by doing a zigzag stitch around the edges of all of my pieces. If you have an overlocker, you can use that for this step as well. Once I've zigzag stitched all the edges, I'm going to start by inserting the zipper. To do this, I'm going to take the straight edges of the two back pieces and match the zipper up to them and mark how long the zipper goes. For this project, I'm using a 13-inch zipper, but I think a 9-inch one would work fine as well. Once I have that, I'm going to sew the two back pieces right sides together from the bottom up until where I made the marking. I'm also going to sew a basting stitch from where I made the marking to the top of the skirt. Now I'm going to press the seam and place the zipper face down in the valley of the seam. I'm going to pin each side of the zipper and sew the zipper in place. By doing this, the zipper will be hidden once this skirt is finished. Now I can seam rip the basting stitches and it'll reveal a nicely hidden zipper. On the front piece and the two side pieces, I'm going to mark 3 inches up from the bottom edge. This is where a small slit will be. Then I'm going to fold the fabric in by about a little less than ½ an inch, and I'm going to sew it in place. With right sides together, I'm going to sew the sides to the front of the skirt, matching the top edges. And I'm going to stop where I made the 3-inch marking. This way there'll still be a slit in the bottom of the skirt. Now that my two front and back pieces are finished, I'm going to sew them right sides together along the side seams. After this, be sure to try on the skirt and make adjustments as needed. For me, I just took in the sides a little bit, but I didn't film that part. Now I'm going to take the waistband and find the halfway point. I'll also find the halfway point of the center of my skirt and mark both of those and match them together. With right sides together, I attach the front of the skirt to the waistband and I sew along the top edge of the skirt. Now I'm going to turn my waistband over, pin, and then stitch in place. All that's left to do is hem the bottom of the skirt. This is the finished product. I'm very happy with the way this skirt turned out. I think that it'll be perfect for both summer but also the winter months. I think in winter and fall I can pair it with tights and it'll be really cute, and because the fabric's a heavy corduroy, it should be a bit warmer. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe to my channel. This really helps, and make sure you comment down below. Thanks for watching, bye!